Good afternoon, another day, another adventure. Woo! Currently at 7-Eleven waiting for Tuna. We's on the way to Cocoa Beach. Turn up! Ah! Let's go, Katie! Oh. That's what you want to do.
In the car on the way to the beach, listening to Kevin Hart.
A lady think I'm a bitch.
Say something.
Bitch all the time.
Never give a bird a ring.
Right to my face.
What? Never give a bird bitch a ring?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Here's the thing.
Search it.
It's not that I'm a bitch. I'm just smart. I don't put myself in situations where I'm not gonna win.
Kevin Hart.
Bitch. Believe me, because you don't know what I'm capable of. Same thing, vice versa. Only way you can tell that I was a bitch if somebody close to me said something to set an alarm off in your head. That's the type of shit she do. We at dinner, right? We at dinner. I'm a little drunk. I'm not gonna lie. I get to an argument with this guy, hit him with some thug shit. Said, say something else to me, I'm gonna go to my car, I'm gonna pop the trunk on your bitch ass. A lot of pressure dealing with kids, man, but I'm learning. Here's one thing I've learned. Here's why my patience is getting better. I realized this, my kids are gonna make mistakes. The reason why, when I was a kid, I made mistakes. I did a lot of stupid stuff as a child. My blood's in them, they're gonna follow suit. With that being said, I don't get as mad as I used to. I'm calming down. My daughter cursed for the first time the other day, I didn't get mad.
Hey, what you know about vlogging and riding bikes? Look at Brittany. Hey. Brittany's, she's struggling right now to ride a bike. So, if you see her fall, then yeah, she has to use two hands. So yeah, she's struggling right now riding a bike. But we're at Cocoa Beach, and we are enjoying ourselves with this beautiful Florida weather.
This guy coming up to me is beyond wasted.
It's good here.
Is it?
Oh.
I had a drink and drive, but I'll bike and drive.
And we're feeling like walk by it.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta do that sidewalk right there. Yeah, I gotta wait. Oh, down this sidewalk?
Yeah.
If she's not here, you saw that
Mm-hmm.
purple.
Mm-hmm.
I love purple.
Yeah, me too.
I love this country. Dude, seriously, the food's good here.
Yeah.
So I got some to go.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Just like you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna get some too.
Okay, again, cleared hot, right?
Mhm.
There you go. That's right.
This guy's done. This guy's done for look at him. Oh man. So we're finally leaving the beach. We've been here for like 2 hours. Did not get in the water. We drove like an hour away. Why are you staring at me? Okay. That just makes it awkward. And that's a little creepy. But yeah, so we drove an hour to come to the beach for 2 hours, which is a waste of time. We were on the sand for like 20 minutes when we got there. And yeah, I don't know. We left so late. We didn't get here until like 4 o'clock, which was ridiculous because we were waiting on so many people just to come to our apartment. So yeah, that was our beach day. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
That ends another adventurous day. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Okay, this ends our day, our adventure at Cocoa Beach.
It's a green light.
Oh, it got hot. Trying to multitask here. But we have fun with part of the distant family. The distant family.
As you can see, the girls just couldn't cut the outro. So yeah, so that's what you just saw. But I guess I'm just gonna have to do it myself.
And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. And until the next vlog, I will see you guys later. So thank you and good night.
They don't know, they don't